What's up everybody? So in the last video we talked about how we can use npx create llama command by LLamaIndex to create a full stack RAG application. But what if we want to use our own custom model? What if we want to use an open source model? So we found a way to get into the code, tweak a few lines and get stuff working with Llama 3. But is there an easier way out? Yes, there is. You don't need to get into the code. All you need is to add some flags with npx create llama command and boom, you're good to go. Welcome back everybody. So in this video we'll learn how we can use Anthropic's Claude or Gemini instead of the default OpenAI models within the platform generated by npx create llama command, which would generate the backend for you in Fast API and would generate front end in Next.js. So all you gotta do is you gotta type in npx create llama and you have to provide the flag ask models. So let's go through it. All right, need to install the following packages, create llama. All right, yes. All right, so what is the name of your project? I'm just gonna say test RAG app. And which template would you like to use? I would like to obviously chat. Which framework would you like to use? Fast API. Would you like to generate Next.js frontend? Yes. And no. Observability. Now this here, which model provider would you like to use? Now these are the options. So OpenAI being the default one. Ollama is something that we configured ourselves in the previous video. If you haven't watched it, I'm gonna hook it up in the cards now. You guys can go and check it out for more context. And now we have Anthropic as an option and Gemini as an option. Obviously, we would have to provide them with the API keys, but let's go ahead with Anthropic. So please provide your Anthropic's API key. All right, so here's the API key. And now it's prompting me to answer which LLM model would you like to use. So Claude 3 Opus, Sonnet. I think, yeah, let's go with Haiku. Which embedding model would you like to use? Yeah, the first one. And which data source would you like to use? An example PDF would do. Would you like to add another data source? Nope. Llama parse? Nope. And would you like to use a vector database? Nope. And yeah, no, I don't want to use any of these. How would you like to proceed? Generate code, install dependencies, and run the app. 2 minutes. So here we go. All right, so I think we're good to go. So our Next.js application is running on localhost 3000 and the server is running on localhost 8000. So localhost 8000 is where our Fast API server is running with the two endpoints, chat and chat/request, which happens to be streaming and non-streaming endpoints. And then we have localhost 3000 with our default template by LLamaIndex. So if you've seen the previous videos, you would know that the default document or the example PDF document that comes with the generated backend structure, which we have now in terms of Fast API. So that particular document is about standards for cards, envelopes, and stuff like that. So I remember one heading, so I'm gonna go ahead and ask, what is uniform thickness? So, all right, so it has given me the answer. Flat size mail pieces must be uniformly thick so that any bumps in, and it has given us 3 sources as well. All right, what are the standards for cards? All right, so here we go. So this is working perfectly fine. So it's as simple as this. All you need to do is to hook up the ASK models and you can select either Gemini or Anthropic's models to actually go with it. So this is an amazing tool, by the way, if you're somebody who just wants to get up and running real quick. Now this really helps. You don't even need to touch or don't even need to dive into the code. So all you need to do is generate it. If you want to serve it somewhere, you just need to throw this on your web server and you're good to go. Yeah, so this is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope this gives you some context about how flexible and intensive LLamaIndex is in terms of various configurations and supporting so many models, obviously the popular ones. So yeah, this seems great, and I hope you can benefit from LLamaIndex and generate your applications real quick and even serve your clients. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.